Steve. Hope you're doing just amazing today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play 10 super easy, super fun songs that only use 3 chords, G, C, and D. 3 major chords, and I started off with Sweet Home Alabama, D, sweet, big wheels, C major, keep on, G major, and then I transitioned into Stir It Up by Bob Marley with that reggae beat, G, C, little darling, D major, G. So if you just have these 3 chords, you can play a ton of songs, and I'm going to show you how to play 10 super famous ones really fast, like in minutes. So let's just start this thing off and quit yapping. So we begin here in G major, and I'm going to play The Joker by Steve Miller Band. It goes... Very cool. You know, I'm a joker, I'm a smoker, midnight toker, all that stuff. G, C, G, C over and over again. Now, one of the things you're going to see me do a lot in this video, I'll show you right now, is it's a way to play a C major if you've never done this before, a G major with your fingers on the B and E strings right there on the 3rd fret, and you play the low parts of a G major, and then just move these fingers to the A and D strings. So you literally lifted them up from a G and put them here, which is really the low parts of a C major. So it's a way to play a C major like that right there by keeping these right here. And that way you go G, C, you know, G, playing my C on the run, D major. And it goes dun dun. Some people call me the Space Cowboy. G, C, D, C, G. Very cool. That one's easy. Let's do Sweet Home Alabama, which I showed you a second ago. D, C, G. And what's cool is it's the same chords, but because it's in D major, it has a totally different feel. Big wheels keep on turning. Pretty cool. D, C, G. And if you use that same little chord technique I showed you, you can go D, C, G. Really cool. Let's do Stir It Up, the Bob Marley one, G. So I do low, high, and you hit the high E strings right there, the high notes of that G chord. Regular G chord is fine. C, little darling, D major, stir it up. And if you get palm muting, that reggae rhythm, you're good to go. Here's one, Johnny Be Good, Chuck Berry, 1958. It's really, I think, in A major, but we'll play it here. It goes, evergreens, little log cabin. So you've gone from G to C, back to G. Johnny Be Good, he never ever learned D major right so well, but he could play guitar just like a ring and a bell. And G major, go, Johnny, go, go, go. That one is pretty cool. Let's try U2. I still haven't found what I'm looking for. I have home, la, 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 only to C major, only to be with you, only to be with you, G major. But I still, D major, haven't found C major, what I'm looking for, G major. All right, I got a fun one here. It's Johnny Cash. And if you do that G, C, G thing I showed you, dun, 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 dun. Isn't that cool? You go G, C, G really fast. It's an easier way than having to do all that kind of switching. Then it goes D major. I fell into a burning ring of fire, C, G. And I D, dun, dun, C, G. Staying in G. Let's do Twist and Shout by the Beatles. Twist and shout, twist and shout. So you're doing C, G, C, D, back to C, G, C. Does that the whole time. And what's cool is if you walk up, I'll show you that little thing. Open D, 2nd fret, 4th fret of the D string, and back to the G, it's La Bamba by Ritchie Valens, 1958. G, back to C, G, C, D, C, that one and Twist and Shout have the exact same chords. Now, I think La Bamba is technically in C major, but that's the cool thing is you can play them all using G, C, and D. Here's another one that I think is in A major normally. It's Wild Thing by the Troggs, 1966. And for the last one, everybody knows this song. I've got a full 3-minute lesson on this one. It's Brown Eyed Girl by Van Morrison. G, C, Days Where the Rains Came, that was G, to D major, G, da-na-na-na, C, G, her heart's a thump, D major, and then it goes to C, D major, Brown Eyed Girl, G. Now, it technically goes to an E minor. I'll throw that in as the only song here with that bonus chord. E minor, C, U minor, D major, Brown Eyed Girl, G, D major. Do you remember when we used to sing G, C, there's that thing, G, D, just like that, G major. So that's it, 10 really easy, fun songs that you only need 3 chords for. Give it a shot. Let me know how you do in the comments and give me some more suggestions for videos like this. Hit like on your way out and I'll catch you around. See ya.